Guys, we just missed one thing there. I was correct. We have to change this setting to NAT network. But before creating that NAT network, sorry, before assigning that NAT network, we would have created a NAT network. Okay, so we would have created a new file for NAT network. So for doing that, we can go here. We can go here over on the tools. You can go here on the tools. Anyway, select the networks. So here on the NAT networks, just type create one. Okay, so here you can go with we have to give a private IP only. So okay, we have to give a private IP only. So once you give private IP, so /24, you know how many IPs will be coming. So I have given you one video of Heath Adams. Okay, so watch that video with /24, we can get 2 to the power of 8 IPs. Okay, so we can get 256 IPs here with 10.0.2.0. Okay, 10.0.2.0/24. So what are the IP ranges for here? IP ranges here are uh, once again 10.0.2.0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. 10.0.2.255. So till here, these IPs will be assigned within that NAT network. Okay, these IPs will be assigned within that NAT network. So here we have only two devices right now. So maybe we can have 255 devices within this network to, if you want to use this network. Okay, so otherwise you can have 192, 168, 169.0./24 or /23, whatever you want, you can put. By watching that video, you can see, and this IP will change accordingly. And this dynamic host enable DHCP, dynamic host configuration protocol needs to be enabled here. So you can go with this IP itself. Okay, so once you have this, just a minute. Yeah, so once you have this, so come here on the networks, on the network, here on machine. Okay, here select NAT network. So here NAT network again, that is the name, right? So here we have selected NAT network. We can give that NAT network name as different as well. Okay, NAT network name as different as well. So here on the properties, let us change the name to our lab setup. Okay, so properties NAT network, we can remove as, we can name them as hacking hacking lab setup. Oh, once again. Okay, so hacking lab setup, and I'm just trying, and I will just click apply. So here, so it didn't refresh now. We are on Kali Linux settings. See here, Kali Linux 2024 .2 virtual box. For doing that, so just again select something else and then select NAT network. It is not coming here. It didn't. It is not refreshing. Just cancel it, discard. So if please complete this step first so that you don't have to do anything. Just to try, I'm trying to name that so that we can understand later, and also we can create a number of NAT networks here. Okay, so here right click settings, or the settings directly. So here on the network, NAT network hacking lab setup, it got selected automatically because there is only one lab setup as such. And then press OK. Okay, so and then press OK. So here as well, the same, we have to put it in the same NAT network. Okay, we have to put it in the same network so that we can ping that IP. We can reach that IP. Or from Kali Linux, it will be reachable to weak server. From weak server, it will be reachable to Kali Linux. Okay, so here network, NAT network, hacking lag setup. Okay, so now I will go to my Kali Linux and I will try to do ifconfig. What is the IP that I got? 10.0.2.15. And then if I go here, ifconfig 10.0.2.15. Okay, let us see. Let us see by refreshing that completely. Okay, let us see by refreshing. I'm powering off this machine. So it should take automatically, but I'm not very sure. But yeah, anyways, like we'll power off the machine and then we will turn it on and see what's happening there. Okay, so here it is in power off state. I'm starting this and I'm starting this as well. So you try to just restart both the machines and let's see whether the settings get applied or not. Okay, here we are, MSF admin is config. So this should be in the IP range of 10.0.2.4. We got that IP. Okay. So see here, we got it. We got 10.0.2.4 because we have given 10.0.2.0/24. So that is the subnet mask we have, 10.0.2.255. So this 255 can be changed here. Okay, last digit can be changed here. So for that, you watch that video, you will understand that very clearly. So here also, most probably it would have changed. Okay, so this is for some reason it is giving me like this. I will just restart this machine again. I'm powering off this machine. Okay, and I am starting this again. So this is the advantage of having virtual machines, guys. Virtual machine on an virtual box, virtualized environment. Something happens, right? We don't have to boot everything up. We can, instantly delete everything and then we can reinstall everything. Okay, so our computer will be in safe side. So that's why we will be having our labs like this. Even in our corporate offices, we will be having virtual machine as a lab setting. Okay, virtual machine as a lab setting, so that if something happen, only that software will be corrupted, not the whole hardware. So we can't afford hardware to just to be corrupted. Okay, so yeah, let's wait for this Kali Linux to open, and then we'll see. For sure it will change the IP for IP address to IP address will be something 10.0.2 dot something. Okay, so let us see that. Let it open. Yeah, here it is. Kali, Kali. Okay, so here, let me open the terminal. Let me open this. Yeah, IF config. So see here 10.0.2.15. Okay, 10.0.2.15. Did we change this for both? Or let us ping that IP as well. Let us see whether we can reach that or not. Okay, 2.4, 10.0. Ping 10.2. Once again, number lock 10.0.2.4. Yeah, so we can reach that IP. Okay, so now I am thinking that I'm canceling this, so I can reach my this machine. Okay, now I can reach my weak server which has IP 10.0.2.4. So if I give some IP differently 0.5, see whether I can reach or not. So it is ping, it is 2.5 and it is taking 2.15. So it is a wrong IP that it is taking. Okay, so here you can see unreachable 2 dot from 2.15, and destination host server unreachable. Okay, so 10 errors, 100% packet loss. So because there is no such machine called 2.5, we have only 2.4, so that we can confirm we are reaching this weak server. Okay, so here, but it is giving 2.5, 2.5 IP only. Sorry, here for this one, for if config we did what? it is giving 2.15. So earlier we got that IP. It's okay. Within 2.0 to 2.255, any IP it can assign because of the DHCP. You saw that there is a DHCP setting in this one, right? In this NAT network. So enable DHCP. So it will allocate so dynamically an IP address to the host, dynamic host configuration protocol. Okay, DHCP means dynamic host configuration protocol. Within this subnet, it can it can it can allocate one IP for that system. Okay, so please change this setting. Others, that's an easy. We can do it in the ongoing class itself. Yeah, thank you.